Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by shaping and cleaning your nails so polish adheres. This matters because smooth edges prevent web breaks. Once filed, apply one thin base coat and let it dry completely. Then paint 2 thin coats of a dark base color, black or deep navy, so the spider web lines pop. Make sure each coat is dry to the touch before moving on. If you rush, the design will smear. Now you're ready to lay the first web lines with steady hands. You'll create the web by first painting 3 to 5 thin spokes that radiate from a near cuticle center toward the tip. This builds the web skeleton. Once done, connect those spokes with gentle curved arcs. Start close to the center and work outward, spacing arcs evenly. Use a light hand. Thinner lines look more realistic and let dry between layers. If using a stamping tool, align the pattern before pressing. Make sure to step back and correct any uneven arcs while the polish is still tacky. You finish by sealing the web with a fast-dry, glossy top coat to protect your lines and add shine. Apply one thin layer and let it set thoroughly. If you see stray marks, dip a small angled brush in remover and tidy edges carefully. This cleans without disturbing the whole design. If a line smudges badly, don't panic. Remove just that nail's polish, reapply the base color, and redraw once fully dry. This prevents ruining other nails and keeps your webs crisp and professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.